Ever walked into a room and completely forgotten why you went there, or struggled to recall a name that was right on the tip of your tongue? After 50, it's easy to assume that a lazy brain is inevitable. But I have great news. There are 3 hidden, natural remedies that act like a turbo boost for the aging mind. This is for you who want something simple, an easy fix, because right now, you just don't have the energy to dive into complicated remedies. They are simple, affordable, and scientifically proven. In today's deep dive, we'll break down the myths, unveil these 3 lazy brain boosters, and give you the exact daily dose to see results. We're focusing on one solution researchers call the brain's fertilizer and how you can reverse cognitive decline in just 30 days. We put this presentation together with the help of generative AI over about 3 weeks, just to make sure everything here is up to date and accurate. All the info comes straight from published research in respected journals like JAMA and Neuroscience Today. You can find links to every study in the video description below. Our goal, as always, is to keep everything grounded in real science and solid research first. Brain decline is often about 2 things: inflammation and reduced blood flow. It's like trying to water a dried-out garden with a broken hose. The first booster we'll focus on is curcumin, the active compound in turmeric. Curcumin doesn't just block inflammation, it can cross the blood-brain barrier, actively blocking pro-inflammatory cytokines. Less inflammation means less brain fog. A randomized, placebo-controlled study from UCLA showed that older adults taking a specific form of curcumin saw significant improvement in memory and attention after 18 months. Researchers attributed this to curcumin's ability to boost BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, the protein often called the brain's fertilizer, because it helps grow new neurons. But here's the catch. Plain turmeric barely works. Your body can hardly absorb curcumin. For it to reach the brain, you need to use a liposomal or bio-optimized format. Simply eating more curry will not give you these results. This is the crucial distinction that separates effective solutions from ineffective home remedies. Our second booster is L-Theanine. This is the amino acid naturally found in green tea. Unlike coffee, which stresses the nervous system, L-Theanine creates calm focus by increasing alpha brain waves. These waves are linked to meditation and creativity. This combination of calm and alertness is perfect for the aging brain that needs less stress and more precision. Our final booster is critical for blood flow, Ginkgo biloba. Its traditional use is now backed by modern science. Ginkgo biloba acts as a powerful vasodilator. It opens up the microscopic blood vessels in the brain. Increased blood flow means more oxygen and glucose, directly fighting that fatigue and slowdown feeling. Think of case study Sven. Sven, 62, experienced daily brain fog and was frustrated by his need to write everything down. After following the combined protocol, he reported handling complex tasks without the afternoon crash. He said it felt like his brain woke up again. This proves that cognitive function after 50 does not have to be a one-way street. Here's your exact plan to get the most out of these 3 daily boosters. Booster 1, curcumin. Go for a bio-optimized curcumin extract and take about 1/8 to 1/6 teaspoon, 400 to 500 milligrams once a day with food. This helps your body absorb it better and supports a healthy inflammatory response. Booster 2, L-Theanine. Take around 1/10 teaspoon, 200 milligrams, in the morning to boost focus and calm energy, or use it in the afternoon instead of your second cup of coffee to stay alert without the crash. Booster 3, Ginkgo biloba. Aim for about 1/20 to 1/10 teaspoon, 120 to 240 milligrams of a standardized extract per day divided into 2 doses, morning and evening. It helps support memory, focus, and healthy brain circulation. Crucially, these remedies work best when taken consistently. The BDNF boosting results from curcumin take time. You must commit for at least 30 days. One key warning, curcumin can interact with blood-thinning medication, so always consult your doctor first. In summary, Boosting your brain after 50 doesn't require expensive drugs. It requires a smart, targeted strategy. Use curcumin for inflammation, L-Theanine for calm focus, and Ginkgo biloba for blood flow. These are the natural tools your brain needs to feel sharp again. Which of these 3 boosters are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want more research-backed methods to reverse the clock, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you appreciate Dr. Eric Berg's valuable knowledge like we do, then you'll want to see this. We've compiled a special edition YouTube video focusing on how to prevent cataract surgery and slow down progression. We handpicked the top 5 tips to prevent and reverse cataracts, bringing together expertise from both Dr. Berg and Dr. Ken Berry. You can find the video by clicking on the image on the left.